Frustrated because Dhgate doesn't directly accept Cash App? Don't worry, we're diving into how you can still make it work. First things first, let's clarify Dhgate doesn't offer a direct Cash App payment option, so a straight-up transfer is out, but hold on. There are clever workarounds. Our best bet, the Cash App debit card. If you have one, it functions just like any other debit card. Simply select the debit credit card option at checkout on Dhgate. Enter your Cash App card details, the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Just like you would with any other card, make sure you have enough funds in your Cash App balance to cover the purchase. Now, if you don't have the Cash App card, consider getting one. It's free and easy to order within the Cash App. Another option is to purchase a prepaid debit card using your Cash App balance. You can often find these at convenience stores or online. Load it with the amount you need, and then use the card's details on Dhgate. Finally, remember Dhgate offers many other secure payment options, including PayPal, credit cards, and bank transfers. Explore these alternatives if the Cash App card route isn't ideal for you. And that's it. You've navigated Dhgate's payment system and hopefully found a way to use your Cash App funds. Happy shopping! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.